Hey guys, Todd Burgener here with 12 Rivers Realty. I'm at Casa Cartel today. This Mexican villa style home is only 7 minutes from downtown Austin, located in Southeast Austin. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's come have a look. In February 2017, the house was sold to Jantzen Matzdorff, who had the vision to remodel and restore this iconic home, which took him 20 months to do so. After loading up a 53-foot truck, they brought all the artwork and furniture that you see in this home directly from Monterrey, Mexico. This amazing home features 5 bedrooms. All those bedrooms are individually themed, 5 full bathrooms, 5,156 square feet, not including the guest quarters and maid's quarters. It's sitting on 0.45 acres, 7 patios, a massive master chef's kitchen, an elevator, a private pool in the front courtyard, a media room, a very rare underground speakeasy bar with a confessional booth, multiple outdoor living spaces, a 4-car garage with a separate storage unit. This home is also being sold completely furnished, including all the custom and one-of-a-kind decor brought directly from Monterrey, Mexico. As you can see, the Mexican saltillo tile throughout the downstairs with tons of assorted colored tiles throughout all bathrooms as well. In addition, this home also features a 1969 Cadillac limo convertible.